amending allocations for serial items or non-serial items in Sage 200 Manufacturing versus Sicon Works Order Processing. So let's go into Sage Manufacturing, Sage Works Orders and Works Order List, highlight our Works Order, and then we can go into Amend Picking List. Highlight the line we want to edit, select Edit Allocation. We can see a quantity allocated against factory, edit allocation, and then we could change the batch or serial number here. So if I select the secondary batch, quantity of 1, select OK, OK, and close out of there. So we've amended where we're taking that stock from potentially, or we're amending the batch or serial number. The equivalent in Sicon Works Order Processing, so if we go into the Works Order list, double click our Works Order or Amend Works Order. If we highlight our line, select Amend Allocation, we can simply say where we're taking that stock from. Select Amend Allocations and close.